Hi there. Welcome to another after school special brought to you by the TIPS team. Today we're going to be talking about a great new feature that Google has recently added, the ability to create a mail merge with Gmail and Sheets without the need for any third-party apps or extensions. The first step is to assemble your data that you'll need in a spreadsheet for your mail merge. This will include perhaps the first and last name of the recipients. You will need an email address at the minimum to do this mail merge, and any other information that you might want to include in your mail merge that will link directly to a particular line. So in this case, the mail merge would write something to Will at this email address, and I would be able to use a smart replacement in Gmail in order to insert the name of the school they're from. To create an email is as simple as creating a new email through creating the new message by clicking Compose, heading over to the recipients and clicking in that row. You'll note that now besides CC and BCC, you'll see the ability to use mail merge. I'm going to click on that, select mail merge, and then add from a spreadsheet. This is going to let me look in my recent spreadsheets or search for the spreadsheet with the list of recipients I might want. I'll click on that and click insert. At this point, it's going to ask me to verify which column has the email addresses. In this case, I already have named it that. It's looking for a first and last name. I've already prepared those with headers of first and last name. And I'm going to go ahead and click Finish. At this point, this will send an email to these recipients using their first and last name and email address. I can also come in here and start using some of those smart terms by using the @ symbol, which will open those mail merge tags. So I can say, for example, first name, last name, thank you for your email about, and then I could even come in here and put the school that they're from, and go ahead and write that email. And that means for each row in that spreadsheet, it is going to create an email that's sent to each of the independent people, customized by their first, last name, and school, or any other information you've collected. And it's that simple. You can go ahead and click Continue. And click Got It. It'll let you know that you can 5 separate emails will be sent. You can also send a preview to yourself to see what it will look like first, and then send all when you're prepared to take a look at it. And it's that simple, no extensions and no apps. Hopefully this quick trick will help you better use email in the upcoming school year. And as always, if you have any questions or thoughts about this feature, reach out to your TIPS team member.